All right, I just got my alarm. Seeds are done. And now is to test to see if they're good seeds after they've been germinating for 18 hours. So we're just going to give them a slight push down. And if they go to the bottom, good seed. If they float back to the top, bad seed. So let's go with this one first, which is the Berry Freak Syrian cross. All right. She went to the bottom. She's good. Next test, Panama Red cross with runts. Please, please, please. Nope. And at the bottom she went. Next up, Blue Milk Film. All right, we got 3 good seeds here. All right, got the water drained. When I first started growing and doing seeds, I was taught to get a paper plate, a napkin, put the seeds down on the paper plate and a napkin, put another napkin over top, and just keep it moist, spraying water on it, and eventually it'll, sprout. But, every 2 hours I wasn't trying to come back and forth. I would forget. Sometimes the seeds would die. I couldn't get to them fast enough. So I do a more professional way now. And if you don't know, then I'll show you. All right, got them labeled. Get your plate. Put it down in a napkin. I always like to leave a little bit of water in there to help get out the seed pretty easily. So we're basically just going to dump this right on here. Perfect. All right, and we're just going to fold it over. Just going to gently squeeze the water out. And while it's super moist, we're going to go ahead and just stick it right in the bag. After you put it inside, make sure you squeeze all the air out. And then you just basically just fold the bag up and just tuck it away for about 2, maybe 3 days. But I would check it after 48 hours and you should have you a nice taproot on it. And I'm just going to put this right back in my cabinet in darkness for the next 2 days. And last but not least, in the cabinet you go with the rest. So in about 2 days, they should have like 1.5 inch almost long taproot. But I don't want mine to be that long because I'll put them in peat pods. So I got to check them in 48 hours. Happy growing.